In this video, I'm going to break down 3 mistakes beginners make in SOLIDWORKS. Now, if you want a full guide how to go from beginner to professional, then you can just click the link below and you can get my free SOLIDWORKS beginner's blueprint. So let's break down these 3 mistakes. So the first thing is beginners focus on the tools instead of on the workflow. So basically what I do is they learn tools one by one, they watch random tutorials, and then what happens? They know features, but they can't build real models. And when they don't have step-by-step guidance, they get stuck. So they know the feature, but when they have to build something real on their own, they don't know how to implement this tool, they don't know what tools comes first, second, and so on. And this is the problem because SOLIDWORKS is not about which tool is this. SOLIDWORKS is about how do I approach this model from start to finish. And to fix this mistake, you have to learn modeling as a process, not as isolated tools, right? So you always have to think, okay, what comes first? What is my base feature? What is my supporting feature? What are my cosmetic features like fillets and so on? You have to know what is your sequence, the workflow of your features, and you have to understand why they're on the first step, second step, or third step. So that's mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is ignoring fully defined sketches. That's what I did. That's what a lot of beginners do. Like you just got a shape of your sketch and that's it. You just start using this sketch to build a part, 3D part, right? But what happens is when you have to change something later, right? When you have to change some feature, when you have to change some dimensions, then your sketches will collapse. Then your model will also collapse because of this. That's why you have to fully define sketches. And to fully define sketches, you have to focus on 2 things. The first thing is you have to focus, of course, on the shape, but then you have to focus on the relations. You have to define relations between sketch entities, whether we have horizontal relation, vertical, concentric, coincident, and so on. And then also at the end, you add dimensions. And only when you have fully defined sketch, you move on, you use this sketch to create a 3D part. And mistake number 3 is starting without a plan. So you just jump right in and you start with the first thing that comes to your mind and then, okay, I'm going to figure out later as I go through this. And what happens is you build in the wrong order, your features break, and then you waste time to fixing these errors. And a lot of times you delete everything and you start from scratch. And to avoid this, you have to create a plan. You have to see your model, what are the main parts, what are the parts that carry this model, and what are the supporting one. And then you have to know, okay, I'm going to start first with this one, I'm going to use this tool, I'm going to continue with this one, I'm going to use this tool, because also you have to see the relations between different features on your part. And that's how you define the structure, that's how you define your sequence, and then you know, okay, I'm going to start on this plane with this sketch, with this feature, with this tool. So always ask yourself these questions when you start modeling, okay? And this way, you're gonna have much cleaner process, you're gonna finish your model much faster, you're gonna have less errors that you have to fix. And also you're gonna become a much better designer. So those are 3 mistakes that most beginners make. This is focusing on tools instead of workflows, ignoring fully defined sketches, and also starting without a plan. Now, as I said, if you want the full guide how to go from beginner to professional in SolidWorks, you can just click the link below and you can get SolidWorks Beginner's Blueprint for free. See you in another video.